4 for you, Alliah.
4-1.
You're beating him.
Dang it.
She said, dang it.
5-2.
You're cheating. You need to go back.
Dang, I missed. Come on, Paul. Cristiano Ronaldo, baby.
What, Alliah?
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Cristiano Ronaldo, baby. What's the score? 3-5? Who's 5?
Me.
Tell him 1 Cristiano Ronaldo, baby.
1-6.
1 Messi, baby. Oh, Kubri.
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Good job, Alliah. She took it, man.
Knock.
You can pass and score. Kubri, score. Goal! Who's that celebration? That's yours. Give me 1 Mbappe celebration.
Score first.
That's Salah, not Mbappe. Yes, she does.
Oh, yeah.
How come?
Okay. No.
Give him 1 Messi, baby. Good job, Alliah. Go. Keep going. Goal! 1 Ronaldo, Sue.
Video.
You want the game if you want to.
VAR كجان. He really did.
So close.
Good job, Alliah. 7 goals, 7.
Silly.
Messi. That's Ronaldo.
Hey, how come?
Yellow card.
والله يا حمر.
What does yellow card mean for?
Warning. Because you hit the other player. Red card.
No.
What's the score? Show me that celebration.
How come? Didn't work.
Going back to the red card.
Good job. Keep going. You shoot from so far. You missed.